I'm Claire Constantine.
I'm Mo Constantine. Lovely to see you all again.
And we're two of the inventors of some of the fresh products that you can find in your beautiful Fresh box that hopefully has just arrived for you. So we've been doing this Fresh box subscription, which is all some seasonal ingredients in there. We've got seasonal flowers, and we're going to tell you what you've got in your May box today. So the first thing you'll find is
the flowers, seasonal flowers. These are freesias and tulips, really aromatic and very lovely. So they're going to go on in an invisible vase just there, so that you can all enjoy them while you use the rest of the products. We've got a lovely box full of things here. I'm just going to talk to you first about the brush strokes. You have been introduced to this kind of product once before, but this is a pink version using pink cocoa liqueur and calamine powder, pomegranate. It's very enzymic, and as usual you just brush it on your skin, lay back and relax and enjoy the effects of that.
Lovely. And while you're laying back, you can use your lovely iPads. So we've got two of the Rose iPads here, which has got aloe gel in. Should we put them on you, Mum, just for fun?
Why not? I'm only here for the laugh, aren't I? Okay.
So you're just resting.
Has it got something engraved on it? It's got an eye on it.
Yeah, they've got two eyes on.
Yes.
You look like we're looking.
Yeah.
There we go.
Very good. There we are. That's something for all the family. That
yeah.
Is a good laugh. Yeah. So the mask can stay on for as long or as little as you like. 5 to 10 minutes is ideal. But and then when you come to take it off, you can either just use clean water and a cloth, or you can go straight on to this lovely sugar scrub. It's called a Lippy of Faith. It's a kind of pun that somebody dreamt up, but it is the Lippy butter is a mixture, a lovely blend of butters and waxes. It melts at skin temperature, which is quite handy, and you just take a small pinch of this, as much or as little as you like. Wet your hands and massage it between your hands until you get a paste, slightly grainy paste, and then wash that onto your face.
What have we got next? I think we've got the chowder next.
Oh yeah, we like this very much, don't we? I'm rolling the sleeves up.
Blossom chowder.
Chowder is a cunning product that we've had around for quite a few years. It's a shower powder, hence the name. There's no giveaway there. Ideally, to use it, you'd manage this on your own, but I'm obviously not able to do that because I'm a mum. So you'd have a handful of powder like this, and you'd work it into, I've got a jug here, don't do the jug, just get in the bath with it or the shower, and then mix it all up. Oh look, and it changes colour, it goes from pink to purple. Don't know if you can see that. That goes all over your body. I mean, it's a bag full that size, and it really does, and then it's gone. So if you're doing a shower with anyone, you have to both get in together because you can't share it. So yeah, it's got petals in it. It's very lovely. It's got bicarbonate of soda in it. And it's just an effervescing shower product that you can just enjoy. I'm just going to step back now and make a mess.
And then once you've given your body a good scrub with that, we've got this absolutely beautiful sticky toffee soap. So this one has got a selection of edible pressed flowers. I wouldn't recommend eating them because they are on the soap, so they're going to taste quite soapy if you did that. But they look absolutely beautiful. And in there we've got some plantain and this incredible fragrance that really is like sticky toffee.
It is. It's like when you open your front door and someone's cooked something really delicious. It's in a soap now.
So lovely.
Yeah.
Very nice. And then the last thing that you'll find in your box is a little envelope, which is a gift from us. And this is just a few words that we wrote coming out of lockdown, and really wanted to celebrate that with this box. So all of the different products you've seen in there are really to be a big celebration of life and of joy and of excitement that the world is opening back up, slowly as it may be. But yeah, that's some of the words you'll find in there. And we've written them down, so it's a little affirmation that you can pop up on your bath bridge or near your makeup table or wherever to remind yourself that life is here for the living. And then we've also got a little sticker on there as well.
A little gold star, just so you can remind people that you are, you know, worthy of a star, and remind yourself.
Yeah, exactly. So we really, really hope that you enjoy your box, and we look forward to seeing you next month. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.